Welcome back to CarScope, the channel where we dive deep into the most anticipated machines shaping the next era of automotive performance. Today we're talking about something truly special, something enthusiasts have been dreaming about for more than a decade. Yes, it's finally happening. Mazda has revived one of its most iconic names. This is the brand new 2026 Mazda RX-8, and it marks the return of the rotary legacy in a way that blends innovation, performance, and unmistakable Mazda spirit. The original RX-8 was known for its lightweight feel, perfect handling balance, and of course, the legendary Wankel rotary engine. But the 2026 model takes that formula and modernizes it for a new generation. At first glance, the design instantly pulls you in. Mazda has reimagined the RX-8 with a sleek fastback silhouette, sharp LED accents, and sculpted body lines that express motion even while the car is standing still. The front fascia features an aggressive grille with aerodynamic inlets that channel air directly to the new power unit. The side profile is low and athletic, and the signature freestyle rear doors return but now redesigned with a seamless, futuristic hinge system that improves rigidity while giving the RX-8 its unmistakable identity. Of course, the heart of any RX model is its rotary engine, and the 2026 RX-8 does not disappoint. Mazda has introduced a next-generation hybrid rotary system that combines a compact rotary engine with an electric motor to deliver both efficiency and excitement. The rotary unit primarily serves as a power generator, feeding energy to the electric system, while the electric motor provides instant torque and responsive acceleration. Early performance estimates suggest a combined output of around 350 to 400 horsepower, making this the most powerful RX-8 ever produced. With a lightweight chassis and rear-wheel drive setup, this car promises razor-sharp handling, quick transitions, and that unique rotary sound that fans have been begging to hear again. Mazda has spent years refining the rotary engine to address concerns from the past: fuel efficiency, thermal management, and emissions. The new system uses advanced ceramics, improved sealing, and optimized combustion dynamics. Combined with hybrid assistance, you get a rotary that's cleaner, smoother, and more reliable than any version before it. The result is a driving experience that feels electric in response, yet mechanical in character, one that blends tradition with modern engineering in the best possible way. Inside the 2026 RX-8, Mazda has created a cockpit designed for both the driver and the enthusiast. It features a minimalist yet sporty layout, with a wraparound dashboard that places key controls at your fingertips. A wide, high-resolution digital cluster displays rotary-specific animations and hybrid system details, while the infotainment screen delivers navigation, entertainment, and performance metrics with seamless clarity. The seats are lightweight performance buckets with deep bolstering, offering comfort for daily drives and stability for spirited driving. Premium materials Alcantara, brushed metal, and optional carbon fiber add to the sporty, yet upscale feel. One of the RX-8's strongest points has always been its practicality, and the 2026 model continues that legacy. Those unique rear doors make it easy for passengers to access the back seats, and Mazda has ensured that the cabin offers enough space to make this car surprisingly usable for everyday life. It's a sports car you can actually live with. On the road, the new RX-8 is expected to be a completely different beast, thanks to its hybrid assistance. Acceleration is instant, and corner exits feel punchy and controlled. The chassis is tuned with Mazda's latest dynamics technology, offering precise steering, perfect weight distribution, and a planted stance that gives you confidence whether you're cruising or carving through winding roads. The sound profile has been specially engineered to deliver that classic rotary whir, blended with a futuristic electric tone, creating a soundtrack that's unlike anything else on the market. The return of the Mazda RX-8 is more than just a comeback, it's a statement, a declaration that Mazda still believes in emotional performance, driver-centered engineering, and bold innovation. The 2026 RX-8 is a tribute to its heritage and a leap into the future, giving enthusiasts exactly what they've been waiting for: the rebirth of the rotary legend. If you're excited about the return of the RX-8 and want deeper insights into the most anticipated cars of the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay locked in right here on CarScope, where the passion for cars never stops.